How to fix nearby people not showing on Telegram. So if you're using Telegram and recently you have noticed that you cannot go ahead and find the nearby people on Telegram, well, I have the problem or solution for you. Now, if you navigate through your Telegram application right here, and if you then navigate through the contact section, you can then go ahead and see the nearby people right here. But as of the moment, it is not currently available on Telegram. Now the reason for that is extremely reasonable. If we then navigate through the search of Google right here, the reason that they have removed the people nearby is that that feature is not being used by less than 0.1% of Telegram users, and it had a lot of issues with bots and scammers. So instead, they have replaced that feature with a business nearby button or feature. So if you navigate through your Telegram application right here, and if you cannot go ahead and see the people nearby feature, it means that you are using the latest version of Telegram, and you cannot go ahead and revert back to the people nearby feature. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.